onto your hats, explorers! Friends, are you ready for a snowy adventure? Let's go!
High above the clouds, the heart of the mountain begins to glow.
Hello, friends! Welcome back to the Snowy Adventures. Today's tale was a bit mysterious.
Look at these berries, they look so delicious.
Who dares to touch the golden berries, I will find him. If anyone touches the berries, the valley will collapse.
Shamik wakes up terrified.
Oh no! What a scary nightmare it was! I hope it is not true! Catch me if you can! The first one to the tree wins!
I'm coming. Wow, the air feels different here, Shamik.
It's even more beautiful than the legends say. Look at the fruit!
The golden tree had finally bloomed. Both Shamik and Red Panda were shocked to see the golden berries glow and spread warmth all along the valley.
It looks so sweet. Maybe just one little taste won't hurt.
No! The elder said the gold belongs to the mountain, not us! Leave them. Let's go back. I am tired.
They both marched back towards the cave, but there was someone who could not resist his greed.
Shamik is sleeping. He will never get to know. I will be back in a minute. They taste so good. Maybe I should try one more. Wait, what is happening? Why is everything turning dark?
Greed had overpowered the warning of Shamik. Red Panda did not knew that his greed could be disastrous for the whole valley.
Why is everything turning dark? What is wrong with the valley? Wait, where are you, Red Panda?
Suddenly, the ice started to crack and a legendary light started to bloom out of the cracks.
Oh, Shamik, what is happening? Who is this great creature?
It was the legendary Kavi the crane, the great spirit and protector of the golden berries.
Who dared to harm the balance of Grove? I will find him.
He flew ripping through the mountains and went to Shamik.
Who dared to harm the valley? Red Panda and Shamik hand him over to me.
It was not us, Holy Spirit!
Kavi warned Shamik and Red Panda that if the culprit does not admit his mistake, the whole valley would collapse and all the creatures living here will die.
What have I done? I feel ashamed. I should apologize from Kavi the crane. I am sorry, Holy Spirit. Please bring the shine of Valley back.
It's okay, Red Panda. The power of honesty is strong enough to bring back the shine.
And so, the shadows retreated into the valleys as a brilliant golden dawn broke over the Himalayas.
Friends, the Himalayas are our home and they need us. Join our mission to keep the snow white and the mountains safe. Together, we can protect the wild.